From the majestic, mist-covered peak of Mount Liamuiga to the soft sandy shorelines of Oualie, Frigate Bay, and Cockleshell, the historically rich, French-influenced, English-speaking capital of Basseterre, to the rugged volcanic cliffs of the Black Rocks, the imposing fortresses and bunkers of Brimstone Hill to the bustling railway tracks of the bygone plantation era, there is an abundance of sights and activities to explore within the stunning coastal borders of Saint Kitts and Nevis. Enveloped in a dense cloak of ancient rainforests and cloud forests, adorned with the remnants of tobacco plantations and adorned with charming beach huts and cocktail bars, world-class golf resorts, and ultra-luxurious hotels, this duo of islands that make up the Federation offer something for every kind of traveler. So, lace up your hiking boots for the Phillips Trail or put on your swimsuit for a visit to Turtle Bay, and make sure to head straight to this captivating and mesmerizing destination, one of the most appealing and captivating places in the region. Here are 7 top activities to experience in Saint Kitts and Nevis. Number 7, make for the fortress on Brimstone Hill. Undoubtedly, Brimstone Hill is the most renowned national park in Saint Kitts and Nevis. This impressive fortress stands as a remarkable testament to the military architecture of the colonial era. Initially, it served as a modest cannon battery to counter the control of Fort Charles by the French forces on the nearby headlands. However, over time, the citadel expanded and grew to become one of the largest in the Americas. Today, recognized by UNESCO, it offers visitors a glimpse into the ambitious engineering endeavors undertaken by colonial powers who employed African slaves in the Caribbean. Explorers can stroll along the Grand Palisades, witness reenactments of historic battles, and revel in breathtaking panoramic views of St. Eustatius Island in the distance. Number 6, Cockleshell Bay. Nestled on the southernmost point of St. Kitts Island, Cockleshell Bay is an enchantingly untamed haven on the Caribbean coastline. Along its 2-mile stretch of pristine, ivory-colored coral sands, you'll find charming makeshift barbecue spots that emit the tantalizing aromas of Jamaican jerk and Creole spice blends into the briny air. From the bay's vantage point, you can enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of Nevis, the second largest island in the Federation. Playful monkeys swing and roam about while the tranquil and crystal-clear waters of the shoreline beckon for a refreshing dip before venturing to nearby Turtle Beach or the Great Salt Pond. Number 5, Pinney's Beach, basking in the Caribbean sun, boasts a stunning ochre hue and a glistening allure. Widely regarded as the most exquisite beach on Nevis, it is conveniently accessible from Charlestown and is adorned with clusters of graceful coconut palms and sea vines. The sand, velvety soft and fine, forms a slender ribbon of pristine white before gently cascading into the serene sky-blue waters of the Caribbean Sea. Spanning an impressive 4 miles in length, this beach offers endless opportunities for secluded relaxation, as well as numerous options for indulging in refreshments and renting water sports equipment. Number 4, find pure luxury on Oualie Beach. Oualie can be found just a short distance away from the ferry terminals, where boats from Saint Kitts dock, overlooking the sandy narrows that lie beneath the water between the 2 islands. This enchanting area of the Nevis coastline is adorned with vibrant tropical flowers and charming hotels made of turquoise-colored wood. The beach is dotted with regal palm trees, casting their spiky shadows on the ground, and there are rows of sunbeds and recliners available for hire. Meanwhile, the Beach Shack bar serves refreshing mojitos and rum punches, while various water sports providers offer rentals for jet skis and snorkeling equipment. Number 3, gasp at the Black Rocks. The Black Rocks serve as a prominent reminder of the historical volcanic eruptions that once occurred from the enormous crater located on Mount Liamuiga. These rocks can be observed cascading towards the Caribbean waves on the northeastern boundary of Saint Kitts Island. With their rugged and jagged appearance, they are adorned with the frothy white spray of the swells, glistening in various shades of charcoal black and pale gray. This geological marvel is truly awe-inspiring, further enhanced by the presence of crashing whitecaps where the Atlantic Ocean meets the Caribbean Sea. There are numerous paths and lookout spots available to fully appreciate the grandeur of the cliffs themselves. Number 2, ride the Saint Kitts Scenic Railway. The entire perimeter of Saint Kitts Island is encircled by a winding railway that stretches from Connery Village in the south to Dieppe Baytown on the north coast and Brimstone Hill on the west side. In the past, this railway served as the primary mode of transportation for moving sugarcane from the plantations to the docks for trading purposes. However, today, it has been transformed into a picturesque tourist attraction, offering an opportunity for cruise passengers and other travelers to embark on historic whitewashed and painted carriages and traverse the cliffside tracks. Passengers are entertained by lively calypso bands while enjoying unparalleled views that encompass the Black Rocks, pristine beaches, and the remnants of numerous mill houses and colonial factories in a state of disrepair. Number 1. Mount Liamuiga, soaring high above the Caribbean Sea on Saint Kitts Island. Mount Liamuiga stands tall at an impressive 1,956 meters, making it the highest peak in the Federation and one of the tallest in the entire region. The mountain slopes are covered in dense rainforests and vibrant tropical grasslands, with numerous hiking trails that start from Belmont Estate and lead to the massive crater rim at the top. Trekking to the summit and back usually requires a full day, allowing hikers to pass through ancient groves of mango trees, explore misty cloud forests, and enjoy breathtaking 360-degree views of the ocean, with Saba and Antigua visible on the horizon.